In the previous video, we built our first Arduino project and created a blink circuit. Then in the next one, we added a button to it. Now in this video, we will replace the LED with an active buzzer. Today we are using an active buzzer. Think of this as an easy buzzer. It has a built-in oscillator, which means as soon as it gets power, it lets out a steady beep. It's perfect for alarms and simple alert. Later in the next video, we'll look at the passive buzzer. An active buzzer can only make one sound, but a passive buzzer is like a tiny speaker. It can play different musical notes if you send the right code. Okay, so now we're going into the circuit. You can see from here, we've got our power pins and we've got the digital pins over there. So from the power pins, we're sending a 5-volt power into the button, and from the button through the resistor and the blue cable, which acts as a T-junction, sending it to pin 2 over here in the digital pins. So, and then coming back through the black cable to the ground. So that's our circuit here. And then from pin 3, we're sending power 5 volts to the buzzer and then back to the ground. You would have noticed that we don't have a resistor for the buzzer. And that's because a buzzer doesn't need a resistor. It's got inbuilt resistor, which can take 5 volt of power and can do the buzzing sound. So that's our circuit. So now when I press the button, you see, we send a 5 volts power through the button to pin 2, and from the pin, when we receive it on pin 2, we send a 5 volts power to pin 3, which is then sending it to the buzzer. And when I press it, you can see the buzzing sound. Our code remains exactly the same. We do the setup here. We've got the button on pin 2, we've got the buzzer on pin 3, and then we do the setup in the setup method, and then in the loop, we say if we receive power, which is high, on the button, which is pin 2, we send power to pin 3, which will basically cause the buzzer to buzz. And if we don't receive anything, we set it to low, which will cause the buzzer to stop. Follow me to teach your child electronics in an easy way.